Hello everyone and welcome specially to this channel. So in this video, I want us to focus on a misconception that a lot of us have about cholesterol. I'm sure before now we've heard that cholesterol is bad. Cholesterol is terrible. It is a killer. We should avoid it at all costs. But the truth of the matter is not all cholesterol is harmful. In fact, you need cholesterol in your body cells for them to function properly. But before we delve into all of that, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly do that now. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, That way you let us know that what we are doing is making sense and we'll be motivated to do more of this kind of video. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into what cholesterol is all about. So cholesterol is actually a fat-like substance that is found in our body cells. Cholesterol is needed in our cells, to make substances like hormones, vitamin D, and even digestive enzymes. But you see, this cholesterol is transported in our bloodstream in the form of a substance called lipoproteins. There are two types of lipoproteins. You have the low-density lipoproteins, the LDL, and you have the high-density lipoproteins, the HDL. It is actually the low-density lipoproteins that are regarded as the bad cholesterol. And the reason is that when they travel through your blood vessels, especially the arteries, they get deposited on the wall of the artery, thereby reducing the space in the artery. And that condition is referred to as atherosclerosis. And this can give rise to some health conditions such as heart attack, high blood pressure, and even stroke. But you see, on the other hand, you have the high-density lipoprotein, which is a good cholesterol. In fact, what the HDL, that's the high-density lipoprotein, does is the exact opposite of what the LDL does. One of the things that it does is that it removes the LDL from our system and takes them to the liver, where the liver processes and eliminates the LDL. Now, the next question we'll be asking will be, how do we now manage our cholesterol level? Very simple. All we need to do is look for ways of reducing our LDL and increasing our HDL. And one of the things to do is to pay attention to our diet. Focus more on the kind of fatty food you take. There are two types of fats. You have the unsaturated and the saturated ones. Make sure that your meal has more of the unsaturated fats and less of saturated fats. You can't get it wrong with natural food like vegetables, whole grains, and so on and so forth. There you'll find more of unsaturated fat. Not that saturated fats are all bad, but reduce saturated fat and increase your unsaturated fat. But the kind of fat you should avoid should be the trans fats. And what are these trans fats? These are actually unsaturated fats that have been chemically altered just so they can increase their shelf lives. You find this in very processed foods like cookies, French fries, fried donuts, and so on and so forth. And apart from our diet, other ways that we can manage our cholesterol level will be to exercise. And apart from exercising, let us also pay attention to some of our lifestyle habits. For those of you who smoke, I need to let you know that smoking has a way of increasing your low-density lipoprotein, and that's not good for your health. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification so that the next time we post a video here, you'll be the first to see it. See you in our next video.